Hi, my name is Camilla Morin. Um, I'm just here to share a dream that I had that the Lord has given me. I had a dream in December of 2021, and in my dream, I was in this big stadium, and there was a bunch of people on the stage, ministers from all over, from different provinces, people that I knew and people I didn't know. There was musicians on the other side, and in the middle there was a woman speaking. I didn't know who she was, but she was just worshiping the Lord and bringing everybody to worship the Lord as well. And as I was looking around this place, you can tell it was like exactly like the Sasktel Centre, where they have seats everywhere all around, and they were pretty full. The place was really packed, and as I closed my eyes, I could just hear people being filled with the Spirit. And that when I opened my eyes, I could see the glory of God in that place, and everybody was filled. People were crying, and people were calling on the Lord. And I just felt it in my spirit that that's something that the Lord is going to do for us. There was no denominations or nothing like that. It was just different people from different areas coming together to worship the Lord. And that was my dream. And the Lord confirmed it through this minister that's going to create these worship services, these services that we're going to have in June. And I truly believe that God is going to move in a mighty way, and he's going to bring people together for his glory.